All right. Roland, is it possible to own or finance a sub-2 deal if the seller wants the loan cleared and some equity back in a year? What would be the best option in that scenario? It would be, Mr. Seller, I'm so sorry, I'm not your buyer. 1 year, man, a lot of stuff can happen in a year. And your owner financing usually to people that already have credit issues and problems. And the reason they have that is because they usually don't make the best decisions financially. And then stuff just happens. People get divorces, they lose their jobs. We seller financed a house to a couple last year, and they were in there for about 9 months, and he lost his job, and they moved back to Texas. They handed us the keys back, left their down payment, moved away. If I'd have been on a 1-year balloon in that deal, I'd have been in a lot of trouble. So just remember this, Roland, balloons are for clowns. We don't do balloons. And I would add to that, if you're going to do a balloon, under no circumstances have it for any less than 5 years. And I wouldn't even do those. If they say balloon to me, I say, I'm so sorry, I'm just not your buyer. We don't do that. There's just no guarantee. All I can promise you is on-time payments until the time as we, retire the loan. And I don't know when that'll be. Buyers change their minds. People get divorces. They lose their jobs. Stuff happens. So, hey guys, thanks for watching. While you're here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and check out these other great videos and podcast episodes.